Hey guys, this is my Fit Benny 2 bike check. Pretty much everything's fit on it, but anyway. The Odyssey, twisted pedals and plastic. I like them. I have them on my other bike, which I kind of took apart. I got them in red. So I'm going to start from the front actually. I got the Fit Co grips with the Fit Crow bar ends. They came with the bike. I find them extremely comfortable. And same on the other side. Let's not worry about the brakes because I'm taking them off because brakes do this to your bike. And I'm kind of fucking mad now. But oh well. Got the Fit bars. I don't know the length. And I really don't care. I got my Fit front load stem with my Fit not clamp headset and Fit forks, Fit tires, Fit white walls with the Fit white walls 2.3 with Fit rims and Fit spokes and hubs. I don't know what this is, but I got off and it's comfortable caps. Let's go in the middle of a bike. I got the Fit pivotal Fit bike seat post Fit, clamp Fit. What else do I got? Let's go on this side right now. I got Fit cranks. I actually suggest you get them. I love the feeling with my Fit 25 sprocket tooth with my Fit chain. Getting this in red. Getting the Shadow Scream sprocket 25 tooth. I'm probably gonna get ODI grips and kick bar ends again, which are on my deck, which is on my scooter. It's right here. I hate the Flute grips. I hate them. They're so uncomfortable. My friend JD has them. Not comfortable at all. Anyways, same thing as the back as the front. And I guess I'll do, oh yeah, problem is, I'm not too sure if this comes with every Fit bike, but my bars are tight as possible. And I had to put grip tape, and they still move back and forth. If you guys have any suggestions, stop it. Comment if you don't. I'm gonna get new bars. Hoping I get them on red, but I'm not sure what color grips. That's the problem. I don't want to get red on red, but probably black grips. That look nice, I guess. So, anyways, I'll do a hub sound. Flip my bike over. Yeah, I don't really do any street edits. Well, I don't do street, first of all. And I really don't. I took my pegs off because I don't have the tool to take them off. So my friend came over and gave me a tool. Anyways, here's my hub sound. Let me put this right here. Wait, let me get something to hold this up for a second. Put this. Well, anyway, guys, that is my Fit Benny 2 bike check, and I'll give you a little ride, I guess, on this little pavement. Show you how it feels. I really like it, this bike. So comment, like, subscribe. Thanks guys for watching. Signing out. See ya.